this fucking recording shit? Behind me, did you guys notice that shit? The camera just... What? Yeah, something is trying to... is messing with the camera. So... That's so weird. Like something is crawling over. I'm gonna take this tea. And I'll be back. I'm gonna find out how much is the charger for a vape pen. So I'll make this. See? But I'm sure by the time I come back. Yeah? Back from it. As soon as I take this shit, I'm gonna be 6 months pregnant real soon. Like I was saying, I didn't know all I had to do was like tap this fucking button on this feature, and the whole time I'm like this finger fucking this goddamn camera to hold the freaking And there's a camcorder mode. I had it on photos, which you can also hold in the records. And I didn't have to hold a freaking button. I could have been recording a whole lot of videos without having to hold it and walk away. Walk away, walk away. My third eye dots on my forehead. I have more than third eyes. I have a whole sequence. A freaking cycle. Oh, what the hell? Actually, I have one sequence. I think burping is giving me this little double chin. I don't remember having it, so I start going like this a lot. Manipulation. The gas is in there. I haven't drank this much water. My skin is taking a toll. But I'm not so using this water weight. This definition's coming through. See this shit? I'm about to go to the park. I feel like going to the park right now. Get my exercise equipment in my glove. I'm gonna be flexing these muscles,